for my journey. So definitely we'll share the entire journey with you, how and what precautions we have taken for traveling from Bangalore to Jaipur. Now we have boarded in our cab with all our luggage. A lot of luggage is there because we are going for a long time, and yeah, I've taken all the precautions like gloves, and I'm not wearing PPE suit because I don't know, I did not feel like, because I'm wearing like all full sleeves shirt and double layer of clothes. So yeah, that is what, and I'll be wearing this mask and we'll be taking care. So let's train it. How empty it is. पहले इतना ज़्यादा भरा हुआ रहता था. So here it is for baggage tag. So you can even take a printout on your own, and even you can take a printout over here. Here, in case if you want to touch this screen, you will have to sanitize first. First you have to sanitize your hands in case if you're touching the screen, and then use the screen. Another option you have is of scanning the barcode. So in your mobile, let me just show it to everyone. So in your mobile, if you see, you get these kind of barcodes in your boarding pass when you do web check-in, and also in your baggage tag. So you just have to scan this and it will auto detect, and then you can take a printout. So that's the touchless system, and otherwise you will have to just touch the screen. So if you just place your hand, you get the sanitizer in your hand. Let me also show you. See, it sprinkles automatically, so it's an auto sanitizer machine. Okay, so now I think our barcode is not working well. I think machine has some problem, so we are using the touch screen. So if you see self check-in services, our flight is Indigo, so we will touch to the Indigo. We are selecting Indigo, and then we'll just put our 6-digit PNR code. And enter. Ensure your carry-on baggage is correct. So see, if you will see, we have already done the web check-in, so we have already got the seats allocated to us, and that's it. And you get your, just accept it, and it's processing. So now you get this option: print bag tag and print boarding pass. See, so we just selected print back tag. So we got this. Now print boarding pass. Now we will get the boarding pass as well. So we have 2 tickets, so we have got it 2. And boarding pass we are not getting separately. Here it is. We got the boarding pass as well. I think we should get one more boarding pass. Yeah, we got it. So now, earlier you used to get this baggage tag in the check-in counter, right? So now that option is not there, okay? So it has this stick also. We have just sticked it here. Let me just show it to you. Like this you get the details, and you get further back tag like this, which you have to stick it to the bag the way they usually used to stick. So since now, because of this situation, check-in counters are not available to put these back tags and all in your bag. This you have to do it on your own. ये आपको खुद से करना पड़ेगा. Awesome. So we are now good to go with these bags. Back tagging is also done. We have got the boarding passes print on our own. So this you have to do it as a self-service. ये आपको खुद से print निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, there will be no such service in the check-in counter. You have to take it on your own. So everything is touchless now. They will not give you baggage tags. You just have to print it outside in the machine, which I just showed you now. They will just check your weight. The good news is now you can carry up to 20 kgs of weight, and they will just check that, and that is it. So they have given us this kit, one for seats and this shield, mask, sanitizer, everything is there. It's completely packed and safe, and if you see, we have got this also for seat, I think, to cover. So once we reach to our seat, we will show it to you. So it's given only for middle seat, right? Okay, so this is given only for middle seat. So any person who is sitting in middle, they are giving this kind of cover, this kind of PPE. I won't say it's a PPE suit complete, but yeah, at least it will cover your hands and upper body. So this is it, and this is Bangalore Airport. Was our final stage. Okay. Wearing my own gloves, and they have given us shield. Okay, so the shield and this mask. So I also having my own mask and wearing fresh what they have given, and that's it. So the person who is sitting in the middle seat, like Rohit is sitting in middle, so they have given him this. So everybody who is sitting in middle, they are giving them this kind of cover, this kind of complete kit. Not the complete set, but at least it will cover your upper body. Okay. So I just show you